They're zoning in.
Okay. Get ready. Spread. Come here now. Regroup now. Maybe we should go there and let HP hold here earlier, but it's okay.
And then I called it. They go to Terry. You should call him to go here.
Yes, boss. But I just don't know that HP have mass, you know, and I want to prioritize this because this is important than Terry. HO is important than Terry.
Northeast Na-flank sila ng pa-northeast.
Yeah,
They're flanking northeast.
Yeah.
They're circling around.
Yes, let them. Just let them, boys. Just let them, okay? Let them.
They dismounted!
Okay, dismount, spread here. Okay, OC now. Okay, food up an OC. Don't stay on the choke. Let them come. Spread here. Keep spreading. Just keep spreading. Don't stay on the choke, okay? Don't stay on the choke. No one stay on the choke. No one stay on the choke.
They're walking in now.
Yeah.
They're engaging.
Observe. Okay, boys, see them now and brawl. I want you to push in. Push in. Push in deep. Go northeast. Just go notice and brawl. Keep brawling. Giga on the choke and go northeast. Keep brawling northeast. Just keep brawling northeast. Guys, keep pushing. Just keep pushing northeast. I'm go too deep. Please don't stay on the choke now. Boys, don't stay on the choke. Please fucking push through. Spread now. Spread. If you are at the back, keep pushing through. Heal you node. Nice heal you node. Boys, drop everything now. Fucking wipe them.
Defend. Fucking root bound. They're engaged.
Where's your Giga or your? Oh my goodness. Keep rolling. Keep pushing. Boys, keep pushing. Pop your Giga, please. Pop your gigas. Don't climb up like that. Be careful. They will engage again. Be careful. Okay, boys. Yeah, I know. They're looking. Tell me if they're looking. They're looking. Heal me at the front. I'm in the front.
Wala talagang heal sa unahan.
Sige lang. Boys. Come back a bit to Raicho. It's like you're getting hold. Come back. We're gonna regroup. And please, you're defensive. You're clerical, please. You're clerical. Again, I'm going back there, okay? Just stay on the HO.
JD, hold them.
Hold in the HO now. I'm coming back. I'm too deep. Okay. Keep holding, okay? Keep holding, boys. Just keep spreading, okay? No worries, just keep spreading. Go back. If you don't have defensive, can you go back?
They're bonking the HO now.
They're bonking?
Yes.
Okay, boys. Keep holding them. Try to push through now. Try to push now. Push them now. Please push them now. Push them now. Don't fear. Keep pushing them. Please keep pushing them. Keep healing them. Where are they going? Find your crown. Go to Raicho, boys. Go to Raicho, boys. Come to Raicho now. Go pull, push in Raicho. Pull Raicho. Drop everything. on the HO. Drop everything now. Everything now. Everything, boys, everything. CC them now, boys. CC them now. This is the time to CC. This is the time to CC them. Heal you node. Brawl them now, please. Brawl them. Nice. Keep pushing south. Okay, again, spread again. Hold a bit. Hold a bit. Okay, hold a bit. Just hold a bit. Spread, boys. They will look. Spread. Keep spreading. Try to hug the wall. Don't stay in the middle. Please, I want one healer on stay with me. One healer stay with me. Prepare death tank. Get ready.
Stop floating.
Yeah. Spread. Keep spreading. Let them come. Hug the wall. Boys, DPS now. Can you go south? Go south now. South. Spread. Drop your Even Song and Judy. In the middle. Everything now. Let Collar drop it. Find the crown. Find the crown. Heal you node in the middle. Please fucking heal you node and snare them. Please fucking drop it. Boys. Come to me southwest. I already marked their healer. Please spread. Boys, spread. When you don't follow them like a robot. They're engaging. Defend. Ah, my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go north. You guys clamp up. QW. Please don't run. Come to me, East. Please don't run. Find your crown. East now, JD. Come to me, JD. East. Come to me, northeast. JD, come to me, northeast. Please don't leave us here.
I'm lagging.
Boys, come to me, northeast. Please. In 3. JD. Why are you guys backing up? Guys, spread. You just need to spread. Don't need to run. Just spread here. Hug the choke, and you have defensive. Boys, come to me. Boys. Come to me, please. Come to me.
Cooks, 75% of your party is already dead.
Yeah, but I have still JD, please. Come to me. We have 17 disarray. JD. Spread, keep spreading here. Keep spreading. Just regear for now. Just regear. Try to hug the wall. Hug the wall, okay? Hug the wall, please. Hug the wall. Spread, keep spreading. Please. CC them now. Oh, why you guys, why you guys so far away from the HO? JD's party is too far. You guys letting them bonk. Oh my goodness. Don't need to be afraid, guys. Can you guys come here? Stay with me. On the choke. You can clamp them on the choke, JD. You can clamp them on the choke, northeast. Please. Don't be afraid. We are here in the front. We are here on the front. Oh my goodness. No one.
Just 2 more minutes.
No one.
Cooks, keep calling.
Yeah, I don't know.
Is it late?
It's already bonked, huh?
Yeah, out already. JD's clump is, they're too far. They are afraid to,
Bro, Kooks. Bad macro.
And then, guys, you are natural clumping in the middle and you don't pop your defensive.
Bro, Cooks, you should have went to, like I said, should have went to territory and then kept them there, kept them busy. They came here.
Yeah.
And we lost hideout and territory. You should have gone to
Yeah.
territory.
That's why I
and
said
put them there. Like I said
we
that.
that
I only
in
said that
Terry.
to
it's much
bad macro.
better,
Very bad
easier
macro.
if we that in Terry. You right now we
And we're
cannot.
fighting brawl and we're fighting on choke and also D-tank issue too. You don't have any D-tank getting ahead of them, bro. We're all just getting CC'd in the choke, right?
No. I have lots of
They're just
deep
holding
out,
us
like,